Each animal thought the new year should have a name. They were arguing because each animal wanted the new year to be after itself. The monkey, the dragon, and the dog started the argument.
This year should be named the Year of the Dragon because I'm the fiercest.
No, it should be called the Year of the Monkey because I'm the quickest.
No, it should be called the Year of the Dog because I'm the cleverest.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am. Ruff.
They argued for hours. All the animals joined in too.
Super smart. It should be me! I'm the champion! I'm the strongest and the sneakest of all of you. I'm stronger than you. No, you're not. But I have a higher than you.
There was so much growling and barking and squeaking and bleating that they disturbed the Jade Emperor.
Whatever is the matter with those animals?
The Jade Emperor abused one of the animals. The animals were amazed. They stopped arguing and stared at the Jade Emperor.
What are you all arguing about? Be quiet! What dreadful manners you all have!
The animals were ashamed. One by one they explained the problem.
We can't decide which animals to make like that. Sorry, we are dirty or brave ones, but we need your help. All we do is argue now.
The Jade Emperor thought it over.
I've got an idea. Listen carefully. Do you see that big river over there? Why not have a racing crossing? We can name this new year after the wind of the waves.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Each animal thought they would be the winner. They hurried to the riverbank and lined up for the race.
I'll show you. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Ready, steady, go.
With a mighty splash, all the animals jumped into the water. The ox was the strongest swimmer. He was soon in the lead.
I'm going to win easily.
Now the rat wasn't the best swimmer, but he was the cleverest animal there. He saw that the ox was in the lead. He said to himself,
She's not tempting me. I know what I'll do. The water must be tickling me. I'm going to be the winner. Oh.
The ox laughed loudly and swallowed a big mouthful of water. While he was coughing and spluttering, the rat jumped off his back and onto the bank.
Hooray, I'm the winner! Where did you come from?
The rat just laughed. The Jade Emperor laughed too.
Ha. Hard luck, Ox. You're very strong, but that was too clever for you this time. We'll name this new year the Year of the Rat. Ox, you're second, so next you'll be the Year of the Ox. One by one, the animals finished the race. Tiger was third, rabbit was fourth, dragon was fifth, snake was sixth, horse was seventh, sheep was eighth, monkey was ninth, rooster was 10th, dog was 11th, and pig was 12th.
Poor cat tried to copy Rat and jump on the ox's back, but Rat pushed her. Since then, cats have never been friends with rats.
Well done, all of you. We'll name a year after each you in the same order that you finished the race.
The animals were happy with this and didn't argue anymore. Rat was especially pleased with himself because the first year was the year of the rat.
are characteristics.
老鼠
It is said that if you were born in the year of the rat, you are charming, imaginative, and generous. But you're also quick-tempered and love to gossip. Hey Lucas, have you heard the latest news going round in school?
No, stop gossiping! You would be happy as a salesperson or a performer. Famous people who were born in the year of the rat are Katy Perry and Prince Harry.
牛
It is said if you were born in the year of the ox, you are a born leader and good at working with your hands.
You can also be quite secretive and a bit gloomy.
Your sign suggests you would be successful as a sergeant, general in the army, or a hairdresser. Famous people born in the year of the ox are Barack Obama, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Mrs. Ash.
老虎
It is said that if you were born in the year of the tiger, you are sensitive, daring, and charming. You might also be dramatic and a bit selfish. Hey Tower, can I borrow your pencil? No way, Jane. That's a bit selfish. Your sign says that you'll be as a boss, explorer, or actor. Famous people born in the year of the tiger are Richard Branson, Tom Cruise, and Mr. Rinaldi. It is said that if you're born in the year of the rabbit, you're smart, kind, and patient. You can also be a bit cautious and a bit crazy.
Your sign suggests that you would make a good lawyer or doctor. Famous people born in the year of the rabbit: Albert Einstein and David Beckham. 龙
The only mythical creature, the dragon. You're full of energy, enthusiasm, and you like to talk a lot.
We can also be gullible, which means we would believe anything.
Hey Javier, did you know that Godzilla attacked Marina Bay Sands?
Really? Wow.
Your sign suggests that if you were born in the year of the dragon, you would make an excellent artist or politician. Famous people who were born in the year of the dragon are Salvador Dali, artist, and Dr. Seuss. Miss Hay, Miss King.
蛇
It is said that if you're born in the year of the snake, you're curious, wise, and graceful. But you can also be a little bit suspicious. Kyle, what are all these people doing here?
I don't know, let's go find out.
Your sign suggests that you'd be most happy as a teacher or writer. Famous people born in the year of the snake are Muhammad Ali, Martin Luther King, and Anne Frank.
马
It is said that if you were born in the year of the horse, you are very cheerful, intelligent, and friendly. However, you can be a bit of a big head. Hey Jasper, do you want to play with me? I'm much better at playing than you. In fact, I'm much better at doing everything compared to you.
It's said if you were born in the year of the horse, you could be good as a scientist, a poet, or adventurer. Famous people born in the year of the horse are Miss Cox, Miss Stone, and Miss McKinley.
羊
It is said that if you're born in the year of the sheep, you're gentle, caring, and creative. You're also indecisive and you like to worry about everything. Sarah, what do you have to play? I don't know what to play. What do you want? What do you want to play? What do you want to play? Oh, how I ever meant to find what to play.
Your sign suggests you would be best as a gardener, nurse, artist, or inventor. Famous people born in the year of the sheep are Michelangelo, Bill Gates, Miss Bennett, and Mr. Baines.
猴子
If you're born in the year of the monkey, you are very intelligent and funny, but you can also be a bit naughty. You would make a good comedian or entertainer.
Do your homework, okay?
Okay, actually I might watch on TV.
You didn't do any of your homework. That's naughty.
Famous people who are born in the year of the monkey are Charles Dickens, Ronaldo da Vinci, Miss McGee and Miss John.
T. It is said that if you were born in the year of the rooster,
You are a hard worker, brave, but also a bit of a daydream.
Mikey, Madison, get back to work now.
Sorry, sir.
Your sign suggests that you would make a good restaurant owner, soldier, or world traveler. Famous people who are born in the year of the rooster. Beyonce and Bear Grylls.
Goal. It is said if you were born in the year of the dog, you are honest, faithful and fearless, but you have a sharp tongue and can be negative. Hey Zara, do you want to go bungee jumping? Sure, I'll just show you parachute out of an airplane. Yeah.
That's probably why you would make an excellent businessman or secret agent. Famous people who are born in the year of the dog are Prince William, Justin Bieber, and Miss LeBay.
T. Last but not least comes the pig. It is said if you're born in the year of the pig,
You're a splendid friend, honest and love to learn, but you can also be a bit greedy. Hey, what do you want to do today?
maybe we should go to the library.
Okay, what do you want to do at the library?
Maybe we could study for that social test on Monday.
Okay, let's go. Your signs suggest that you would be good as a chef or professor. Famous people that were born in the year of the pig are Gordon Ramsay and Emma Thompson.
suit, bow tie.